How to fix Pluxee account login not working. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're having that issue, let's fix it. So let's just get started. First thing is ensuring you can open up the app first and ensuring that you are using the proper credentials in the application. So first make sure you're entering everything correct. If you're logging in through the app or even the browser, all you gotta do is clear the cache. So go ahead and long press on the app and head over to the info section. After that, go to storage. And once you are under storage, you need to go ahead and clear the cache of the app. So you can tap on clear cache and do it. Apart from this method, another method is checking your internet connection. So ensure that your internet connection is stable. If it is not, you can switch up to a stable one. If you're using the app, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For that, you can head over to Google Play Store and go to the search bar. After that, from here, go ahead and search for Pluxee. And from Pluxee, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If none of the solutions work, you can reach out to the Pluxee support team, and that's it. Hopefully one of the steps works for you. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.